Hey guys, how's it going? Long Squared here. I know it's been a while, but I'm back, sorta. I won't be making keyboard content as much as I used to because, well, I can't really afford it. But I'll still be doing stuff here and here that's related, maybe more Switch reviews and looking at keycaps and such. And if you guys have any requests, yeah, let me know in the comments. But yeah, getting into this, I have for you guys today GMK Mictlan. Now, the recording for the original audio was pretty messed up, so I'm doing a voiceover, so if things don't align, that's why. But yeah, let's take a look. GMK Mictlan, first of all, super interesting design. It's a I was gonna say white on black, but no, it's like several colors on black. And looking at the box, it represents that pretty well. It's a very clean design. As you can see, it's all black, and yet at the same time it feels very vibrant. Maybe it's the contrast between the color and the black, but it's done very tastefully. All sides of the box are very good looking too. Now when we open it up, we can see what they look like. Luckily, none of the caps were knocked out of place. The new GMK boxes are made pretty well. They're great. It could still use a little bit of work, but they're definitely going in the right direction with these boxes. But yeah, the support for this set is pretty good. Everything that I've needed, at least, considering I don't usually build full keyboards, but my assumption is even if you did, this would likely cover it. At least for standard builds. If you have stuff like 40%, you might need some additional keys, but from what I can see, everything here looks pretty great. I ordered the novelties as well, and I think they're actually really pretty. The oranges I love a lot, actually. They stand out quite a bit, and it's a nice accent compared to the black background. It stands out, and me personally, I love fall and October in general and this time of the year, and it kind of gives you that Halloween vibe. As you can see, there's a lot of options to choose from. I won't go through all of them. You can see them in the listing. The whole set, the base set, I believe is $130 on novel keys. So if you do want this, that's where you would get it. And I believe there are extras available, so check it out when you get the chance. But I'm seeing that the quality of the caps are very nice. I don't see any bleeding edges, any misalignments. I haven't looked too closely, but at the same time, don't look for things you don't want to see, I guess. I should keep an eye out for a quality check as someone who's kind of posting about it and my thoughts on it, but personally, I like how they look. I don't notice any issues, and yeah, amazing design. Now let's put it on a keyboard and show you what it looks like. So here it is on a keyboard. I think it looks really good. I originally was gonna have the colored arrow keys from the novelty set, but I feel like for an all black board like this, it kind of fits better to just have the little orange accents. Kind of cleans it up a bit. I do love the little skulls for the navigation keys that I have there, and luckily the Thera 75 is a really beautiful fit, especially with the badge on the top right. The oranges and the purples, they go very well together, and there's a couple colors mixed in there as well aside from that, but you know, don't ask me to identify what they are because I'm kind of colorblind, to be honest. But I think it's a set that's so well thought out and so detailed that I had to just get it. But yeah, I hope you guys like the unboxing and the showing of these caps. I don't really know why I made this. I just kind of wanted to show these to the world because they're pretty amazing. And if you like them too, feel free to check them out. No pressure. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. Just enjoy building and showing what I make and the things that I collect. But yeah, I hope you guys have a nice day and stay squared.